Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute clover shaped fountain in Heartopia. So we're going to need the igloo bricks here, and we're just going to place around 8, I think. I'm just going to adjust these in the shape. Like so. And then, hold on. Like that. Then like this. And then one here. And then the last one here. Then we're going to fill in these gaps with the geometric snow brick. There, and there. Then we're going to use the other one. We're going to put one here, then one, and one more. Then we're going to add 2 more in the middle. Then we are going to go to the building material, go to others, and I'm just going to place some pink hydrangea. I can't pronounce that. I'm just going to place everything here. Then you are just going to add in your fountain, which is in the outdoors area here, in the middle like so. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!